When we did this, one of the leaders of the church looked and said, "Those are really small speakers. We were expecting, big speakers. These are small speakers." And I said, "It's okay." And then we turned it on and he said, "Okay, I'm sorry. You were right." It's been like that with two or three installs now. The feedback is amazing. So it was a new build. They added on a whole new wing of the building. The chapel, in the design process from the church, we knew they wanted it to be organic in design. The main focal point of the room was the brick wall. They wanted something in that space that was big sounding, but something that when you look in the room, you don't see the speakers. You don't notice them. You're not looking for them. It's just an organic, natural room. And we were able to do that with C5s, C8s, and wall sub 45s. The subs, we loved the mounting of it. I wanted to make sure that the mounting system that came with them would do what we wanted it to. And it did, and people look at it and it doesn't look like a sub, which is really nice. In the chapel, the right side of the room is entirely glass. That was a challenge, making sure that there wasn't going to be any inconsistencies or something that didn't sound right. And everybody that has walked in there and heard the system, number one, has a hard time finding the speakers. It's been great. The feedback's been great. From the student lobby, you walk out onto the student patio, seamless audio transition, which has 4 C5s almost up in the rafters. From the patio, you walk out onto the lawn. There are 5 CT28s with 3 sub 12s. Something that was small, sounds good, easy to hang, was a no-brainer. It's amazing having a sound system that on a Sunday, it's tied into the church system. Anytime there's an event going on, anything from the auditorium plays in the lobby, outside in the chapel. When the students come in, anytime they have an event, they press one button and that system gets way louder. They love it. Everything is PowerSoft amps. Everything is Dante. The leadership, the students, the youth, they love it. And they are now asking us to spec more C5s for the back of the building. We're going to wrap the entire church in one sound, and I love it.